In exercise 4 of slide number 35, in the presentation of sampling distribution, we have to show that FPC is equal to fun for an infinite population. We have done this problem numerically in exercise 1. So you can see in exercise 1 what we did. We observed numerically that if the sample size and the population size increases, the value of the FPC will becomes closer and closer to the 1. The value of the FPC will be equal to 0.99 if the population size is 10,000. Here we have to prove it algebraically and analytically that how FPC is equal to 1 in case of the population is infinite. FPC is what? FPC is the finite population correction factor. It is equal to n minus n divided by n minus 1. And what we want to show here, we want to show if the population is infinite, it means we have to apply a limit of n tends to infinity, limit n tends to infinity over FPC. And we have to prove it to 1. N tends to infinity on n minus n divided by n minus 1. We cannot use the direct substitution of the limit. The reason is if we put the infinity here, the infinity minus something is infinity. And if we put infinity here, then infinity minus 1 will be equal to the infinity. That will be infinity upon infinity. And infinity upon infinity is an indeterminate form. We cannot cancel out the infinity to the infinity, and we cannot say that it is equal to 1. If we directly substitute infinity into this FPC, then the result will be equal to an indeterminate form. So we have to use a technique of factorization for implementing this limit. According to that, we have to take common from the both sides, which is the numerator and as well as denominator. If we take n as common from the numerator, this will becomes 1 minus n upon n. And in denominator, if we take capital N as common, this will becomes 1 minus 1 upon n. If we cancel out these two n and then we use the substitution technique, the result will be equal to 1 minus n upon infinity divided by 1 minus 1 upon infinity. And all of you are familiar that n upon infinity is 0 and 1 upon infinity is also be 0. So this is equal to 1 minus 0 divided by 1 minus 0. And we can say that it is equal to 1 upon 1, which is equal to 1. It is analytically proved that FPC is equal to 1 when the population size is too large. In slide number 1, we have numerically proved that FPC is equal to 1 as we are increasing the size of population. For the population size 5, then population size 1000, and then the population size of 10,000. And the value of the FPC will be equal to 0.999.